All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to this week's Sunday's top-down market analysis for US 30. Last week was an amazing week of trading, and I'm excited once again to see what the markets are going to go ahead and bring us next week, starting tomorrow. All right, so for those of you that take trading serious, for those of you that actually want to make a living out of this, for those of you that actually trade and feed your family off this, not those that take this as some type of gambling entertainment, welcome to my channel. This channel is made for serious traders, traders that backtest, traders that forward test, traders that really have a desire and passion for these charts, traders that truly believe in financial freedom, traders that really want to take themselves and their families to the very next level. Because we know that life is not a joke, and we know that in life, these bills show up every single month, and they don't care if you won or lost a trade. For those traders that want thousands of dollars in real rise payouts, welcome to my channel. Because I sacrifice everything for this, man. Hours and hours and hours alone by myself in Thailand when I decided to learn how to trade. I did not need anybody to believe in me because I knew that this is what I always wanted for myself. And I knew that this was my way out. So with that being said, let's get started, guys. All right, so as we're looking at the monthly chart here, we're seeing that we went ahead and we touched all-time highs. All right, so let's go ahead and actually just briefly just mark that out here. Okay, all-time highs were touched here. Okay, all right, so these are all-time highs. Okay, now what goes up must come down, right? So on the monthly, we're still seeing higher lows and higher highs. Okay, now opening up this month, we did have retracement coming down, completely normal, right? However, unless the chart goes ahead and breaks past this swing low and closes below it, then we must remain bullish. This is a key level that if you're trading US 30, you must mark out on the monthly chart. Guys, keep in mind that price is fractal. What happens on the monthly will happen on the weekly. What happens on the weekly is going to happen on the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute. It's that simple, okay? This chart is being marked out by Black Bull. I do not sponsor them. I am not promoted by them, but that's just the chart that I'm using right now. That level that must be broken is coming out at 37,251. Okay, all right, so what can we assume that price might do, right? Price will always retrace, and then price will obviously boom, right? Let's say that this is scenario A, right? Scenario B could be price comes up here and then closes past this level that we marked out, boom, and then our next level, our next high time frame key level is this swing low here, right? Boom. See price as stairs. See swing lows as stairs. See swing highs as stairs. Each one plays a major level on how price is being delivered. Okay? Now, on the monthly, as of right now, we still have not had price close below this swing low, so we're gonna remain bullish on a more macro outlook, right? Now, as we move to the weekly here, okay, the weekly is still trending upwards, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low. Okay, now on the weekly we're able to come here, right, and establish this as a high probability order block, something that we really want to watch as a bullish order block. Okay, now if this order block gets tapped, then we must displace underneath this level on the weekly, right? And if you ask me what is displacement, if you're new to trading, displacement is when we have a candle closure, underneath a wick. This is called displacement, all right? But as of right now, we're still bullish. We're just having a little retracement into this weekly order block right here, which this weekly order block is the level that I'm watching this week. This order block right here. Now, let's move over to the daily. What has happened on the daily? We've had a closure below this candle right here. So now we could assume that price is going to continue to trend down. Trend down where? Trend down to the weekly order block right here. This is where price is heading right here, you know. And if in the meantime we just want to go ahead and, you know, grab this, right, and kind of just make the level a little bit more tight, right, we could see that we have an imbalance right here, right? So this is the level that we really want to go ahead and watch this week. Right here, price is heading here most likely. Once again, if these levels are breaking, then our bias from that moment forward could definitely be 100% bearish, right? But price could easily once again come here, taps, and by the time we know it, we are going to all-time highs again in September, right? We don't try to predict price, guys. All we do is we try to prepare and react to price. That's all we do. As traders, we forecast our levels and we're always prepared for our setup, whether that's at London 3 a.m., whether that's New York pre-open 8:30, whether that's the actual New York Open at 9:30, whether that's at 1 p.m. or 4 p.m. for US30, okay? Now, let's analyze what has happened to price, okay? Let's analyze here what has happened to price, okay? On the daily, we've had a close above this imbalance here, okay? FEG right there. Over here, it got respected. Over here, we closed above it, right? So that leads me to believe that we're still bullish, you know? We'll come down here, most likely, and then tap back up there, right? As of right now. Now, let's move on to the 4-hour chart. And see what exactly we got going on here. All right. So on the 4-hour levels that we're going to be looking at the 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, they're coming in here. Okay. These are the levels that we're going to go ahead and we're going to focus on, these levels right here. Okay. That level. And then we're going to go ahead and focus on this level here on the 4-hour. All right. As of right now, guys, macro, we're still bullish, as you're seeing on the monthly. We're you know, still bullish. And on the weekly, once again, right, price is still trending higher. For us to even be able to shift our bias, price must close underneath this wick here and break this level right here, you know. So if that has not happened, then we're basically still bullish. All right, now let's proceed and come over to the 1 hour chart, right, and see what we got going on the 1 hour chart. Okay, all right, pay attention, guys, because I'm giving clues out here. All right, some serious alpha here. All right, levels to watch. Okay, on the 4 hour. All right, giving you clues here, guys. All right, giving you clues here. Right, you know what, let me go ahead and actually change that. Let me go ahead and grab this over here. All right, now I do not have a course. I do not want to have a course, but I do have a community that I went ahead and I formed on Discord. Someday I might be open to maybe a private one-on-one mentorship if anybody is interested. But I don't have a course. I don't have a desire to have a course right now because I'm a full-time trader. I make my living off trading. I believe that most traders that have courses, they don't really make money off trading. They make money off education. Even ICT himself and other traders have transitioned to that, right? So we have that level right there. That is buy side liquidity right here as well. And we're gonna go ahead and shift here, and we could actually mark this out as kind of like as an intermediate buy side liquidity zone, right? You know, sell side liquidity, right? Sell side liquidity right now is coming in at this consolidation right here, most likely. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and draw this horizontal line here, actually label that white, come here, this is sell side liquidity. I'm giving you guys clues as to where price is gonna go next week. All right, blues clues. All right, clues as to where price is gonna go, right, next week. Okay. Everybody must be focused. All right, this takes time. It takes time for you to psychologically believe in yourself that you're worthy of it. But once it clicks and once you understand risk management is number one. Sticking to one setup every single day, that's important. I've only been trading the 930, so I'm a 930 scalper. That's what I do. I'm in and out of the trade by maybe 935, right? But to be able to take a trade for 5 minutes, it took me a whole year to master these charts, because people on YouTube are not giving you the real sauce. People on YouTube are giving you just bits and pieces so that you're able to come back and you think you learned something, but at the end of the day, there's so much detail that goes into one setup that they're not giving you the whole sauce, okay? This is the truth, right? And I'm fed up with it, to be frank with you. And I'm here to change that. One stream at a time. I will change that. Might happen in a year, might happen in 2 years, but that's my intention, is to make 1,000 traders that really want to be profitable long term. Okay? Now, what do traders trade? What do real traders trade, right? You're either going to be trading the monthly range, the weekly range, the daily range, the 4-hour range, or the 1-hour range. Okay? That is it. Okay? Price does one thing and one thing only. It manufactures liquidity. It goes from premium to discount, premium to discount. That's all price does, okay? Grabbing liquidity. What is liquidity if you've never heard that word? It's pools of money, okay? It's pools where money rests. That's all liquidity is. It's pool where money rests. So where's money resting right now, okay? Let's go ahead and let's grab our mushroom, right? Let's put a mushroom here. Mushroom here. Up here. Up here. There you go. And down here. Okay? And as of right now, right here. Okay? For those that are into psychedelics, for those that shroom, okay, this is where your happy place is at, okay? Right here, okay? Happy zones, okay? Now, with that being said, as we're seeing right now, prices at a heavy discount. So what are you looking for in a discount zone? You're looking for what? Entries that are going to take you up. If prices are in a premium zone, then what are you waiting for? You're waiting for prices to take zones where you're able to take price down. Okay? Might happen in a year. All right, so now, with that being said, guys, we all know that macro, we're expecting price to continue bullish on US 30. That is what the market is basically offering us, a bullish trend on the monthly, as we're able to see. Let's go ahead and recap really quick. Price has not broken below this swing low, so price is bullish, right? Weekly outcome, same thing, right? Now, keep in mind the key zones, the key levels that I went ahead and marked out, right? Because this is where price is going this week, okay? All these levels are going to be tapped this week. And what are these levels? Opportunity. Opportunity to make money, opportunity to get paid, right? Now, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and conclude this Sunday market breakdown. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It's your man, Louis Prez, the one and only, and I want to go ahead and bless you guys all with an amazing week ahead. I hope that you go ahead and you strive for all your goals. If you found value in this content, go ahead and like and subscribe. Once again, there's more than enough wealth in the market for all of us to be profitable, okay? Much love, guys. Peace, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Remember to sleep well, because sleep is important for focus to catch that